Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to see how to install JDK on our Windows based machine. So if you are using any Windows based OS, be it Windows 7, 8 or Windows 10 or even the latest Windows 11, you can follow these steps and you can install JDK on your machine and run your program or project. Okay, so before going to download and install the JDK, first we need to verify whether or not we have installed Java on our machine or not. So for that, I'm going to start menu and I'm just going to type CMD or command prompt. This will open a command prompt window, and now I'm just going to type a command to see whether or not Java has been installed. So I have written this command java space hyphen version to see whether or not Java is installed. So the output is Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. So this verifies that we haven't installed Java on our machine. So I'm just going to any web browser and I'm just going to type JDK install. Now the first URL that has been shown in search results oracle.com. I'm just going to this URL and I'm just going to download for Windows based machine, and you can see that there are other environments also, be it Linux or Mac OS. And if you want to install it on your Mac OS machine, I have already made a video on how to install Java JDK on Mac OS machine, the latest Mac OS also M1 and M2 chips. So you can go to my channel and see those videos if you want to install on your Mac OS machines. So as of now we are doing it for Windows, so I'm clicking on Windows and I'm downloading the latest Java 19 version. Okay, so here there are other version also mentioned, Java 17 also, or the other LTS version also. LTS means the long-term support version that Oracle or Java is providing. So I'm just going to download the latest Java 19.0.1. So I'm just going to download it for x64 based machine. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this and this will start my downloading. Okay, so after downloading, I'm just going to double click on this and a setup prompt will open. I'm just going to click yes. A Windows installer screen will begin the installation process and just going to click next. It will ask you to the location whether you want to install, sorry, where you want to install. So I'm just going to install to the default location, that is C program files Java JDK 19. Click on next and it will begin installing the process. Okay, so Java JDK has been installed and I'm just going to close this window and I'm going to verify by going to that URL. So I'm just going to minimize this and just going to my computer, local disk and program files and Java JDK 19. Okay, so this has been installed, and going inside bin we can see different DLL files has been there. So now we need to configure this JDK on our machine. So what we can do is we just need to go to the start menu and type edit system variables. You can see here. Okay, you can click on this, or if this property isn't coming on your start menu, there is another way. You just need to go to my PC, click on right click and just go to properties, and from here properties you can just go to advanced system settings and the same environment properties prompt will open. Now I'm going to environment variables, and here I'm just going to create one new variable, and inside path I'm just going to add my path that, okay, I need to copy that JDK till bin also. So I'm just going to copy this till bin, press OK, and I need to also create one Java home and this Java home will be till JDK 19. Okay, apply and okay. And now I'm again going to close this window and open this command prompt again. Now I'm just going to verify this Java space hyphen version. You can see that Java has been configured on my machine, Java version 19.0.1 and Java C space hyphen version. As Java C command we use to compile our Java code. Enter. So you can see JDK and JRE, both of them are configured on our machine. But suppose if you want to configure multiple JDKs, so what you can do is again go to the system variables and click on environment variables. And as I have shown you, I have created one Java home here. Okay, so what you can do is you can create multiple Java home by the name of like JDK 7, JDK 8, JDK 9, and coming to here path, you can just write that JDK home slash bin or JDK 7 slash bin, JDK 8 slash bin or JDK 13, 14, whichever JDK you want at that particular time to run your program. Okay, so in this way we can also configure multiple JDKs. Okay, so in this way we can install and configure Java JDK on our machine. I have shown you the latest JDK 19.0.1. You can also install and configure the JDK 8, 11, be it 13 or any version using the same steps on any Windows environment 10, 11, 7, 8. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you guys.